Does thinking about verbs make you feel dizzy? You're not alone. Verbs in Spanish can be so confusing. It all depends on the way you study them. Verbs are the most important part of a sentence, so you will see that if you study them, they will begin to show up in your conversations and you will be speaking more confidently. And nothing feels better than being able to hold conversations with your family, with your friends, at work. You know that I have a particular way of studying vocabulary, and when we study vocabulary in the way I explain it, I always tell you that when you make this cute chart, always include verbs. So you can include studying your verbs as a part of your vocabulary, but if you're reading a book, which I encourage too, and you see a verb, okay, you come across a verb that you don't understand, make sure to write it down, look for, examples and practice it out loud. Let's talk about the basic concepts of verbs. Verbs in Spanish can end in 3 different ways called conjugations. We have verbs ending in AR, like amar, to love, verbs ending in ER, like comer, to eat, and verbs ending in IR, like vivir, to live. Also, we have 3 different moods, okay? We have indicative, subjunctive, and imperative, okay? So we have 3 modos, indicativo, subjuntivo, e imperativo. Indicative mood is the most used one, although we also use subjunctive, subjuntivo, and imperativo. And then we have verb tenses, tiempos verbales. Verb tenses are the present, the past, okay? You know that in Spanish we have quite a few. So, presente, pasado o pretérito perfecto simple, imperfecto, futuro, condicional. Those are the simple forms. And we also have perfect forms. And all these tenses can be in indicativo, in the mood indicativo, or subjuntivo. If you want to know more about verbs and start studying them, I have a free download for you, where you get all the basic concepts, an example of each conjugation, and practice. I'm going to leave the link down below, okay? It's free and it's a great way to start your learning. And as always, if you have any doubt, feel free to contact me, okay? You have all my details below too. You can send me an email, you can go to my Instagram and send me a DM. I'm here to help you. I hope you start learning Spanish verbs and see you in my next one. Bye!